that just hit me in my eye, y'all. Hello YouTube, my name is Jas. Welcome back to my channel. Here I normally do natural hair videos and some other random stuff, but today we're actually going to be doing another hair video. Yep, another hair video. This is gonna be my first time trying Flexi Rods. I'm not gonna do a long introduction because I don't know what I'm doing. Every product that I'm gonna be using, I'm gonna link it down below. The method I'm gonna be using, I actually saw a fellow YouTuber do. Her name is Tress to Impress. I will link her profile down below so y'all can see the original video. I wanna say I will be posting this video whether it is a fail or a success because y'all, we all gotta learn some kind of way, right? All right, y'all, let's get into it. I want to go ahead and say that my hair has been washed and conditioned. I'm going to start this style off by parting my hair in 4 sections and then detangling the 4 sections. I'm then going to wrap each section into a semi-bantu knot and use a clip to secure the knot. So I went ahead and parted my hair in 4 sections. I did leave a little bit part out in the back because that's where I'm going to start first. I just want to go ahead and say that I got these Flexi Rods off of Amazon. And this is Tropical Root Sculpting Foam. It's like a setting lotion or something like that. I do use this on every style that is a soft style that starts off with wet hair. I'm also going to be keeping my spray bottle near. This is actually one of those misting spray bottles. But I got this from Amazon as well, and I will be linking all these products down below. So I'm gonna start off with this little side in the back. So since this is my first time doing this style, I'm actually gonna do smaller pieces instead of bigger pieces because I don't really know how this is gonna turn out. Maybe when I know how I do this style, then I'll be a little more brave with how I do this. But as of right now, I'm gonna start with the smaller ones. It's probably gonna take me forever, but I wanna make sure that my hair is damp. And I want to detangle with my comb here. So I have this much hair in this section. I'm actually going to put that in half. Because like I said, I don't really know how big these should be. So I'm going to go ahead and put a little bit of this in my hand. And put that on here. Comb that through. Ooh. Okay, definition. But that's not the purpose of this video. So what I've actually seen people do is kind of bend the rod this way. Well, yeah, bend the Flexi Rod this way and then wrap their hair around like this. Making sure that you smooth the end down. Move that up here and then curling that. I'm hoping that's right because your girl don't know what she doing. So I'm gonna do that again. Comb the setting lotion through my hair. Take it under and just kind of wrap. And doing my hand in like a little twisting motion as I wrap. Make sure that's smooth down. Pull this part up and then set that there. All right, we getting started, so hopefully this don't take me too long. So I want to say at first I was having some trouble trying to figure out how to wrap these. But as time went on, I got more comfortable and I was able to wrap these faster and make it more secure. So as you can see, I am done doing these Flexi Rods. It took me about 30 minutes and I don't really know why. One thing I will say about this is that I need to plan better going forward, because I feel like I got more rods on this side than I do on this side. And that's because the pack that I have came with assorted colors, which means, you know, each size has its own color. I was thinking, well, I'm gonna just do orange all in the back, and I'm gonna do this in the middle and this in the front. And y'all, it didn't work out that way at all. Like, I started having to try to figure out, okay, how many reds over here, how many blues over here, how many purple and orange over here. I even had to use the big fat gray ones in the middle because I just didn't plan it well. So going forward in the future, I would definitely plan out which color gonna go well in my head. I hope this turned out okay. Like I said, I'm gonna post this regardless because I do feel like we all have to learn from our successes and our fails. I think I probably put too much of this sculpting foam on it just because I know it's gonna take it longer to dry. I didn't really have to use this spray bottle too much because my hair was still very damp from when I washed and conditioned it. But this is what we're working with right now. I will say also, it's something very oddly satisfying about wrapping your hair around these foam things. Like, it's just, I don't know, it's like trying to figure out how to bend it. It's like playing Tetris. It's something oddly satisfying about it, even though it looked crazy on your head, but it was kind of fun to do. So since I got all this product on my hair, I'm finna wait extra long to take these down. I'm finna go do a whole bunch of stuff, and then I'll come back and let y'all know when I feel like it's dry and ready for me to take it down. All right, I will see y'all in a little bit.
So since I have my portable dryer, I decided to do some stretching. I've been trying to learn how to do a split for the longest. If you want to check my split journey video out, that is on my YouTube channel as well. And I also just was kind of chilling. I was just enjoying my freedom of not having to sit under a big dryer.
All right, y'all, I actually went and got a lot of things done while I was under this dryer. I would say I probably was under it about 2 hours, and now I am done. I'm ready to take this off. Hopefully my hair is dry enough. By the way, this is one of those portable dryer thingies that you plug up to your hair dryer. I will be linking it down below as well. I actually love this thing. It took me a while to figure out how to use it, but once I figured it out, it's very convenient. So here we are. So I'm just pressing to make sure we are dry. It feels like we are. I don't know, y'all. I'm so scared to try to take it down. I just don't want to mess it up. So the oil I'm gonna be putting in my hands is this olive oil conditioning spray. Y'all see it's almost gone, y'all. I love this stuff. Like, I don't know, it just makes my scalp feel so good. But this is what I'm gonna be putting in my hands, and then I'm gonna start taking down these rods. Ooh, y'all, so far so good. Oh my goodness, I cannot believe it. Y'all. Wow. Y'all, if this turned out right and it be my first time, that's gonna be crazy. Like, I've been staying away from Flexi Rods for years because I just was so uneducated about them. Wow. Y'all, that's crazy, that's crazy, that's crazy, that's crazy. I think that one might need to go back. Yeah. This one don't feel dry. So I'm actually just gonna kind of roll that one back up and put the blow dryer on it. I wonder if anything else in the front is like that. Cause the one thing about that blow dryer is that it gets the back of your head really well, but the front, it doesn't, obviously. I look like somebody's whole grandma with these curls. I'm gonna have to spread these for real, for real. This look like, y'all ever ate Arby's? This look like an Arby's fry. Like their Arby's curly fries. So pretty, so juicy. Such a pretty curl, y'all. It's such a pretty curl. So the front is still feeling very wet. So I'm going to blow dry that real quick and then see if I can get it a little more dry so I can finish taking it down. All right, so hopefully after that it is a little more dry. Hopefully. So I am done taking out the Flexi Rods. Y'all, these curls, oof, that just hit me in my eye, y'all. But these curls are everything. Some of them was still, you know, kind of damp when I took them down. But, you know, I'm so impatient. But I'm looking forward to spreading these curls because they, you know, looking like somebody's grandma right now. So I'm gonna take my oil here, put it in my hand. Got about that much. I'm just gonna put it in my hand and I'm just gonna rub it on the curls like so. And then we're gonna start the spreading process, y'all. So from what I hear, you're just supposed to kind of like see what it separate on its own. And then just kind of do it like that. I guess, you know, when you see where it's spread on its own, that's supposed to decrease the frizz. But honestly, I like a little bit of frizz sometimes. I didn't used to, but now I do. Yeah, I've really been asleep on these Flexi Rods.
So I just took my time separating the curls and then coiling the hair around my fingers just to keep the curl defined.
Y'all, these curls though. Girl. So y'all see the difference, right, between these spread out curls and these grandma curls.
So after I got done spreading my curls, I realized I wanted a side part, so I just took my rat tail comb and made a deep side part. I also used a pick to just fluff the curls out in the back.
All right, y'all, I am done spreading out these curls. Y'all, these curls are so defined. Look at these. So now I'm gonna take my even edge control and do these edges, honey. So y'all, I'll be honest and say, I think I killed this look for the first time me ever trying it. Like it was a struggle. Some of the stuff, you know, was kind of not dry at first. But I mean, I hopefully, you know, my hair is really shrunk up. So hopefully, you know, over the next couple of days, it'll kind of fall some, may fall into a pretty curl pattern. But yeah, I really like this. And I didn't spread this one. But yeah, I really feel like I've been sleeping on these Flexi Rods. Like, I mean, it looks very good. So here is the front. And let me turn around so you can look at the back. So even though this turned out pretty good, some things I would fix for the next time I do this is make sure I know which rods is going well. I was just so confused about which color and all this, and I didn't know that I was gonna run out of this color on this side. It was just a whole bunch of mess. But I would definitely plan out which color rods are gonna go where. I will use less of my setting foam because I do feel like the front of my hair did not get as dry as the back of my hair. And that's usually kind of opposite, but I really think that's because of the way that the dryer that I was using gives air. It kind of does it this way and not on top. So I think that's probably why. I would definitely wait till everything is dry before I start trying to remove stuff. But let me know what y'all think. How you think I did for my first time? Like, would y'all try this style? Do y'all think it turned out okay? If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to the channel and click that bell so you get notified every time that I post something so you don't miss something, girl. I'm telling you, I be trying to do stuff for y'all. Y'all don't understand what y'all be having me going through over here, stressing me out by these curls. But yeah, I will see y'all in my next video.